sensation. What bone at the base of the spine is called as? Your options are sacrum, coccyx, ilium or pubis. The correct answer is A, that is sacrum. The sacrum is a triangular bone located at the base of the spine, providing support and stability to the pelvis. What is the term for a virus that primarily infects bacteria? Your options are bacteriophage, retrovirus, viroid or prion. The correct answer is A, that is bacteriophage. Bacteriophages are viruses that infect bacteria and are considered a natural predator of bacteria. Which organ is responsible for filtering toxins from the blood? Your options are liver, kidneys, lungs or stomach. The correct answer is B, that is kidneys. The kidneys are responsible for filtering waste products and toxins from the blood to form urine. The kidneys are responsible for filtering waste products and toxins from the blood to form urine, which is exudated from the body.